Here's an example of a spreadsheet that could use a little bit of formatting to make it more useful. If you notice the test grades, a couple kids have these pound signs instead of numbers. And the reason for that is if the number doesn't fit in the amount of room, Excel turns it into pound signs. The number's still there, we can get it back. And what we need to do is just make this cell wider. If you click on the letter at the top, then as you move your cursor, you see how it changes to a line with two arrows. When it changes to that, you can hold the mouse clicker down, the left side, not the right, and you can drag this. And you just need it big enough to display the number. And see, the pound signs were 3-digit numbers, and they didn't fit before. Now we also have this column of notes, and the only note you can actually read is this one because there is no number. If there were a number in this cell, you wouldn't be able to see the note. See, it goes away. But according to the note, this kid hasn't taken the test, which is why there was no number there. You can't read this note or this one. Now, there's several different ways you can fix this. You could leave it how it is, and if you click in the cell, you can read the contents up here. But if you want to be able to see it, you could click on the letter at the top, put the cursor till you get the line, and then drag the cell so it's big enough, and then you can read the notes. And if you don't want this cell to be this big, or later you may write a note that's a lot bigger than that, your other alternative is to highlight this cell by clicking on the letter at the top and come up here on the menu and click Wrap Text. And see what that does? It takes and it wraps, it makes another line. That makes your rows all different sizes. But if you don't care about that and you want to be able to read whatever you write, that's a good alternative.